Hi everyone, welcome to Mount Allison's Winter Online Open House. We're here to tell you why Mount Allison could be a great fit for you. We have tons of really cool content that you can follow along with all day long at your own pace. And we also have some content on our Instagram page, on our Instagram stories. So I encourage you to follow us at MTA_admissions on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Let's go speak with some other admissions counselors to find out all of the other cool stuff that you can do during this year's Winter Open House.
Come and join us for our Club and Societies Fair, where you can learn more about clubs and societies that are student-led, including Right to Play, the Biology Society, Women in Commerce, and so much more.
Attend the Student Support Fair. Learn about our awesome support staff who are here to support you. Learn about international exchanges, athletics, financial aid, academic support, and more. We hope to see you there.
This is your opportunity to get to chat with alumni, current students, and faculty members and learn what the MTA experience is truly about. Learn from cool alumni the places they've gotten to because of Mount Allison, and also get to meet your future professor. You can also chat with our admissions counselor in the admissions room from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Atlantic time. And we'll also keep the room open on Monday and Tuesday of the following week. See you soon.
A big congratulations to everyone who's already submitted their application and been admitted. And just a reminder, if you haven't done so yet, all you have to do is register for the open house and you're going to be sent a promo code that will waive the $50 application fee for you. We really hope everyone has a great time at the open house. There's so much information, so much cool things to learn. So take it all in and be sure you stay tuned until 4 p.m. when we're going to announce the $5,000 residence room winner.